Hello everyone, welcome back to COC channel. Here's a beginner-friendly tutorial for this hat. Let's do it together. We'll start with the slip knot cast on. Chain 2 stitches to start. 1, 2, round 1, crochet 12 double crochets, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, pull the yarn through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2, then pull through the last 2. That's how you make 1 double crochet. Take a stitch marker, clip it to the side of your first double crochet. This marks your starting point. Continue crocheting. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Tighten the loop. Remove the stitch marker. Insert your hook into the first stitch where the marker was. Slip stitch to join the round. Round 1 is complete. Round 2, chain 2 stitches to start. Each round begins with chaining 2. Round 2 will do increases in all 12 stitches. That means we crochet 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Insert your hook into the first stitch. Make sure you find the right spot. It's where we placed the stitch marker before. That's always the first stitch. Loop the yarn through from behind. 3 loops on the hook again. Pull through the first 2. Then the last 2. That's your first double crochet. Mark this stitch again with the marker. This is important for tracking. You can place the marker on the first or last stitch of each round. In the same stitch, crochet another double crochet. That's what we call a double crochet increase. Keep hiding the tail as you crochet. Now the second stitch, increase again. Hold the yarn tail above the hook so you can hide it as you go. Same stitch, 1 more double crochet. That's your second increase. Keep going in this pattern. 12. Remove the stitch marker. Slip stitch to the first stitch. Round 2 complete. Flip it to the back and trim the yarn tail. Round 3. Chain 2 to start. Double crochet into the first stitch. Mark it with a stitch marker. Second stitch, double crochet increase. Repeat this pair 12 times total. Now for the second pair. Double crochet. Double crochet increase. That's the third group. Double crochet. Double crochet increase. Fourth group. Remove the stitch marker. Slip stitch to join the round. Round 4. Chain 2 to start. First stitch, double crochet. Place the stitch marker. This round will crochet 1 double crochet, 1 increase, 1 double crochet. Second stitch, double crochet increase. Third stitch, double crochet. That's 1 full set done. Continue in this pattern while counting as you go. Second set, double crochet increase, double crochet. Pause here and finish all 12 sets. Don't forget to slip stitch to join at the end. Round 5, chain 2 to begin. Start with 3 double crochets. One, 2, 3, then a double crochet increase. Pause and complete the next 11 sets. Repeat 3 double crochets, 1 double crochet increase. Round 6, chain 2 to start. First stitch, double crochet. Second stitch, double crochet. Third stitch, double crochet increase. Fourth stitch, double crochet. Fifth stitch, double crochet. 2 double crochets, 1 increase, 2 double crochets. Repeat this until the end of the round. Round 7 and 8. Follow the same method. Each round has 72 double crochets. No more increases are needed in these rounds. For both rounds, just crochet 1 double crochet in each stitch. You can mark the first and last stitch for better tracking. It helps prevent mistakes. No more increases for now. Each of these 2 rounds have 72 stitches. Pause and complete round 7 and 8. Don't forget the slip stitch and chain ups. From here on, it's mostly repeat work. I've added the pattern chart above this video. Follow along with the chart while watching. By round 20, it will look like this. Make sure to identify the right and wrong side. The smoother side is the outside, this part right here. Now, I've finished the final increase. Round 20, 7 double crochets plus 1 double crochet increase. Repeat for 12 sets. The last increase, we only finish half of it. Pull through 2 loops on the hook, then switch to ivory yarn. This is the seamless yarn change method. It makes the outside look neater. Pull the new yarn through, insert into the first stitch, slip stitch to join with the first double crochet. Place the ivory yarn over the hook. Keep hiding the yarn as you go. Round 20 complete. Chain up with ivory yarn. Round 21. Chain up. Leave the black yarn at the back. Don't cut it yet. We'll still need the ivory later. Hide the yarn tail as you crochet. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Place the yarn on top of the hook. Wrap over and pull the yarn through. Now you have 2 loops on the hook. Pull through both. That's a single crochet. This round needs 108 single crochets. Crochet until the last single crochet. Only complete half of it. Switch back to black yarn. Pull the black yarn through. Slip stitch into the first stitch. Now follow the pattern to finish rounds 21 to 24. Leave the ivory yarn at the back. In round 25, in the last round, we'll crochet 1 last round of white single crochets. At the end of round 24, finish only half of the last double crochet. Switch back to ivory yarn. Slip stitch into the first stitch. Cut the black yarn. Leave a short tail. Final round, round 25. Crochet 120 single crochets with white yarn. Insert the hook and begin with the chain. Place the black yarn on top of the hook and keep hiding it as you crochet. Finish the last single crochet. Slip stitch into the first stitch. Pull the yarn long and cut it off. Flip to the back side. Hide the yarn tail.